These are the Avaya 6408D phones. There is also a 6416 phone, which has 16 buttons instead of the 8. Gives you a little more control over if you wanted extra appearances for other people in the business to see if they're on the phone or not. The phone has a tilt display. It's non-backlit, it's just an LCD screen, and it's typically used in our refurbished systems here. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to show you basically picking up a call, answering a call. Let's call 203. We're calling the left phone from the right phone. To answer the call, we can pick up the phone and say hello. We could also press the speaker button. Hello, how you doing? Now when a call comes in, you can place it on hold, pick up the phone, and you can press the hold button. The green light will flash rather rapidly to show you the call is on hold, and the other caller will hear a beeping tone to let you know he's on hold. If you wanted to place another call while this person is on hold, you can press the B button, which is your second line appearance, and then place a second call. We'll call John Adams at 205. John picks up the phone, and you notice when we're on the phone there are two lights lit up. If someone's on hold or we're not on that line, one light is on. Now it's possible that these lights might be flickering as well because of the video quality. The process of making a recording or video causes steady lights to blink rapidly. So for purposes of this video, if there's one light, that means we're not on that active line. If there's two lights, we're actively on that line. So we're on the B call right now with John. If we press A, it's an automatic hold. It'll automatically put B on hold and go to A. And now you notice that the A has the two lights on, or the green and the red in the real world. B is on hold. Now if we wanted to stop talking to B, if we wanted to just drop him, what I would suggest is going to Menu and press Drop. And then we're not on a call with them anymore. Just one light means it's inactive. We can go back to our B, and now we're talking to John again. If we want to transfer John, all we need to do is press the transfer button, and we're going to transfer him to 210. So actually, let's transfer John to 204. So we'll press transfer 204. Notice in this display, it says John Adams is being transferred from Kim Williams. So Kim Williams is transferring the John Adams call. On this system, we have A, B, and C indicators. Those are called line appearance keys. On most other systems, you might have a line 1, line 2, line 3, line 4 button, which actually are representative of actual phone lines coming into the building from AT&T or wherever. On this system, it just means that there are 1, 2, 3, ABC, 3 different calls you can handle at any given time. There might be 20 lines coming into the building, but you're only presented with the ones you can handle. Everything else is behind the scenes and automatic. Some operators will have more appearance keys if they have a large call volume and they put more than 3 people on hold or transfer at any given time. To make an extension call, we don't even need to pick up the handset. All we need to do is to dial the number of the extension. The same thing holds true if we're making an outside call. We would dial 9 or 8 or 7, depending upon what your programmer or company has. But in this instance, we dial 9 to get an outside line, 1 the prefix 414-555-1212, and the call goes out. The outside caller picks up, and then we can choose to put them on hold if we want, just like before, and then get back to them by pressing A, which is where we place the call from. To hang up, if there's only one person on the call, it's okay to just press the speaker button, and that'll hang you up as well. Or if you're on the call with the handset, simply hang up. The reason the A light is lit, it's showing you what the next available call appearance key is that you would be using. So you would be picking up and you'd be using A right away. If another one was lit up, you'd be using B right away. But usually we just automatically go to A. Now usually when somebody calls in, you can see that it's an outside line, and you get caller ID with the name and number as well. If it's an inside call, you'll see who's calling in. John Adams at extension 205. When an outside call comes in, you'll typically see their phone number and their name. This is just a simulation, so we have it showing up as outside caller with an extension number. But typically you'd see the name and the phone number. That's it for our basic call handling.